Matinas Biopharma Holdings is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company which focuses on enabling the delivery of life-changing medicines using its LNC platform technology. The firm focuses on identifying and developing novel pharmaceutical products. The company is developing its own internal portfolio of products as well as partnering with leading pharmaceutical companies to develop new formulations that take full advantage of the unique characteristics of the LNC platform. The company is headquartered in Bedminster, New Jersey, and trades on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol MTNB. Hello everyone, this is Jitendra, and today we will look into Matinas Biopharma. We will be going through technical, then financial, later looking into their pipeline platform and finally conclusion. If you want me to make a presentation video on a particular stock, or any topic related to the stock market, please put it in the comments section. I would love to make it for you. On the monthly time frame, following is the trend support, with near-term possible resistance. The graph clearly shows the stock has made regular ups and downs in the past. I am hopeful we can see some reversal this time as well from the trend support with price target of at least 1.5. On the weekly following are the support and resistance levels. Even though R1 stands close to 1, it will be too early to close the call, so we better wait for stock to cross past R1. There is also strong divergence setup which has recently been formed. The positive aspect are the peaks giving confidence that the set price targets can easily be reached in short term. So on weekly the price target stands 1 to 1.5. Coming to daily time frame, the stock is currently sitting on long-term horizontal support. Zooming in, one will notice the stock has entered into the following channel of support and resistance. Even on daily, there is a confirmed strong bullish divergence pattern. Being optimistic, I am hoping this time stock might break R1 and move towards the targets of 1.1 to 1.5, which comes to minimum 50% gains from current levels. In case the level is rejected, then I am expecting stock might max dip to 6.5, which again will be a good level to enter. Taking into account all the time frames seen till now, there has been an increase in volume over the period of time, which is a very good sign. Even though the final target is set at 1.5, I would advise booking a profit of around 1 to 1.1. Matinas Biopharma shows strong growth in revenue, which has grown by 113%. Further revenue is expected to grow by 123% on average per year. On the negative part, MTNB has underperformed both the US biotech and US market over the past year. However, MTNB's revenue is forecast to grow faster than the US market. MTNB is currently debt-free as per the last reported balance sheet in December 2020. Moreover, it has a sufficient cash runway for 3 years based on its current free cash flow. Matinas Biopharma currently holds about $60.67 million in cash with $17.35 million of positive cash flow from operations. The market capitalization is $144 million, which falls in small cap category and carries certain risks. The fair value of MTNB stands at 1.07 and is currently undervalued at a 29% discount. Analysts have given a moderate buy with a price target of 1.95. The forecast given by 4 brokers range from $3 to $4, a possible 300% upside by the end of the year. Short interest has remained more or less the same over the past few sessions, and the last decrease in short interest was only about 2%. Any percentage decrease in SI is a good sign. The concern here is that institutional investment, which is only 20%, whereas public owns more than 75%. Let's now look into their pipeline platform. MAT 9001, severe hypertriglyceridemia currently in phase 2. MAT 2203, cryptococcal meningitis is in phase 1/2, DSMB evaluation of safety and efficacy data due 3Q 2021. MAT 2203 is an application of its cochleate delivery technology to a spectrum antifungal drug called amphotericin B. MAT 2501 is in phase 1, pharmacokinetic study due to be completed by the end of 2021. MAT 2501 is an orally administered, encocleated formulation of the spectrum I only, aminoglycoside antibiotic agent, amikacin. The firm's LNC platform combines the use of lipids as active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and the use of lipids in cochleate-shaped lipid crystal nanoparticle drug delivery vehicles. Preclinical and clinical data have demonstrated that this novel technology can provide solutions to many of the complex challenges in achieving safe and effective intracellular delivery for both small molecules and larger, more complex molecules, such as mRNA, DNA plasmids and vaccines. Liptiso, next-generation omega-3 therapy, is a prescription-only fatty acid-based composition, comprised primarily of EPA and DPA, intended for the treatment of cardiovascular and metabolic conditions. The company has initiated a process to identify and secure a potential partner to continue the development of Liptiso. Matinas Biopharma is financially healthy and one of better-placed companies in the industry to meet its short-term obligations. Healthcare and biotech are not so popular and have been a negative trend recently, so one needs to be careful when trading in this sector. Buying stocks at strong support levels with decent pipeline makes sense. The company has been focused on expanding the application of the LNC platform with its collaborations with Genentech. It's also expanding the application with the National Institutes of Allergy and Infectious Disease in creating an oral formulation of Gilead's remdesivir. The combination of a unique mechanism of action and flexibility in both the formulation and route of administration, including oral, positions Matinas LNC technology to potentially become the preferred next-generation intracellular drug delivery vehicle and an important improvement over both lipid nanoparticles and viral vectors. MTNB, as of now, is a hold candidate. Accumulation can be done whilst awaiting further development of company's lipid crystal nanoparticle delivery technology. Even though the stocks might reach the set targets in due course, conservative traders can buy at support levels as mentioned before. I am hoping their LNC platform becomes a success, giving stellar returns in long term. Lastly, profit booking is highly advisable as we are going through uncertain times. I hope you liked this video. Please share your thoughts and comments. See you soon. Take care.